Here we are back at MGM Classic Cars, and today I have this gorgeous restored 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, guys. Not sure if it's an SS car. I never really looked hard into it, but what I can tell you, it's a beautiful restoration. Newer paint on the car. It's got this beautiful midnight blue paint job on the car. The chrome is all new front, back. The grille looks new. The trim looks great on the car. Front spoiler, as you can see, dressed up with the satin Riddler wheels on all four corners. As you can see, the disc brakes in the front. The emblem does say 396 turbojet. It is. Only year for the first gen Camaro with the vent windows. Smokers loved this back in the day and currently today with your vaping and stuff. But regardless, free air conditioning, guys, right through that little window. Pretty cool design on the car. All the little chrome, the dual sport mirrors, everything looks great. The trim, like I mentioned, dual exhaust, package tray in the back with the two speakers are good. The trim is good. Painted white stripes. Rear taillights are brand new on the car, along with that rear chrome bumper. Trunk inside is really in good condition. Appears to be original quarters, and I'll share some more information with you with the factory GM stampings back there. Still, walking around here, I just want to show you guys everything about this. The reflection on this car is gorgeous. We did the checkered floor on purpose to show you the high-end reflections off our cars that we buy. As you can see, look at that frame underneath there. You can see all the bolts and everything. That is they removed the subframe on the car. Sorry about the noise outside. We got a lot of moving pieces here at the dealership, and I will fire this up and take you guys for a test drive very shortly too. Alrighty. You like that, right? Yeah, it does have a beautiful stance to it. Love the paint. I can talk about this paint all day. It's miles deep. Look at this reflection. Triple chrome plated on the chrome. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Let's check out the interior. Look at these door jambs. All new weather stripping. Beautifully painted. Factory pinch welds on the doors. It tells you there wasn't any rust on this car. Whoever restored this, hats off. They did a beautiful job. Nice door panels. Door sill plates replaced there. Look at these door jambs, how beautiful they are. You can tell when they painted this car, they removed the striker, they removed all the trim on the car just to do a really nice job. Weather stripping is all nice. This is where I look mostly on the Camaros and all my cars, just to make sure it's all done nicely. Beautiful white interior, as you can see there. 3-spoke aluminum upgraded steering wheel. We are going to get this tucked in a little bit better, so this probably shifted a little bit throughout the years, but we will get that gapped in before we ship out the car. And all our cars will go through service before we ship them out. All the seat belts are intact, front and rear. As you can see, really nice package tray headliner with the dome light functional. You got your visors, rear view mirror. I love this steering wheel. Dash pad is brand new. Nice shifter knob there. The transmission is a 4-speed automatic with overdrive. Let's check out the passenger side. They took their time when they did this car. Okay. Listen to how this closes. Real nice. So on a 67, to pop the hood is right under the valance here. Right there. Okay. You would just click that. Big block. $396, guys. This is a pretty much stock motor, correct valve covers, stock intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. You got your master cylinder, your booster for your front power disc brakes. You got your power steering there. Upgraded tubular A-arms on both sides. Latches are painted the correct color, argent silver. If you didn't know that, that's how they came from the manufacturer, with the argent silver color. So again, whoever put this car together knew these little detailed things, and that's what I appreciate about this specific car. Let's check out the trunk real quick. A lot of people put these carpet kits in there, or they cut them out. It just keeps the noise down. But it is solid underneath here, guys. All around, everywhere. Original quarters. Here are the factory stampings here for the original quarters. And then when I put my hand underneath here, you will notice that there is, like, you see this line here? That tells you that the quarter from right here and down has been replaced. But look at these gaps. They did a nice job. Okay? Real nice job. It's very common for muscle cars. Here's on the driver's side, you got your original stampings there. And again, when I slide my hand underneath here, it's the same thing. Okay? They overlaid it. They did a beautiful job. So from here down, gaps are great. You can definitely tell a professional has done this. Let's go for a ride. I want to share with you guys this cool feature. Look what they installed here. A digital setup that looks factory. Look how cool that looks. Radio functions. Wow, super, super nice. We tuned the carburetor, starts right up. It's got a mild cam in it. Those RPMs shoot up pretty quick. Very clean on the inside. Very detailed. Alrighty. Let me go close the hood. Love the digital setup there. Stereo sounds good too, but I rather listen to the motor. Alrighty here, guys. Hey, I want to say thanks for tuning in, man, and spending your time with me. if you're watching the video up to this point, I'm sure you got some sort of interest in it. It is a beautiful car. We're leaving MGM Classic Cars headquarters here. Wipers, horn, turn signals, heats, defrost, radio, shifter. Everything functions on this baby. All right. No police? I hope not. Sounds real nice and raw. Alright, usually I'll do a U-turn here because I know there's a lot of traffic here, just to check out the power steering, make sure nothing rubs. We're all good there. There's a lot of police out today. Turn already, let's go. Straight down the road, guys. You can drive this car with one finger. I mean, it is that easy to drive. When you hit the brake, the car doesn't pull left, doesn't pull right. Motor got a good temperament. Suspension feels great. There's no squeaks when you hit a bump going down the road. This is a well put together car, guys. I've been doing this for 26 years, buying, selling, building, trading. Hats off to the guys who did this. Don't know who they are, but if you're watching and you did this car, great freaking job, man. Honestly. So MGM Classic Cars is located 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, 45 minutes from Midway Airport. We welcome you guys to come over. Check out these cars for yourself. I try to tell you everything about it. Obviously, I'm going to miss a couple things, like, but it is an overall a great car. We're gonna do one more spin around here on this road. Make sure everything shifts fine. And then we'll talk about financing and delivery. Miles an hour, just rolling the throttle, not even full throttle, guys. Shifts like butter. Very nice cruising car. You're only at about 2200 RPM at 60. Great touring car. So a couple things you can add to your hot rod for this one. If you wanted to add air conditioning, you can. We charge $39.95 for install, parts and install. It's not bad. I mean, really, there's nothing else that you would need for this thing. So listen, if you're financing and you need financing, you want to hold on to your money, that's fine. It's great. If your credit score is between like a 640 and a 775, Rates start at about 7%. You will need 10% down of the purchase price, but you can add and roll in your sales tax and your delivery charges with our loans. We got great relations with our lender. For that application, go to mgmclassiccars.com. And if your score is over 775, that's not a problem as well. It's no money down option is possibly available to you. And then you can go directly to my lender at lightstream.com. Rates also do start in the 7% range if you wanted to hold on to your cash. As far as payments, we do low payments, long term, to keep that payment comfortable and to have your dream car, guys. So to the left here is my building with over 200 cars for sale. We own all of them. We do not really do any consignments. We try not to. We just like to put our money where our mouth is and sell the cars to you guys. I do have a full service department here with mechanics on duty, waiting to fix whatever needs to be fixed. So keep us in mind if you have a car, you need some work, or if you want any upgrades to this Camaro. We're back here. My number for delivery is area code 847-848-1850. You guys can text me your zip code and I can get you a quote. If you guys need a delivery to your driveway, we're licensed, insured, and bonded. Again, my number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. We're going to take the pictures of underneath this beauty. Stay tuned.